What's up, guys? Today is April 25th, and the new Carnival Firenze is home in Long Beach, California, West Coast. I am going to give you guys a short video tour, and at the end of the video, John Heald himself giving you a balcony room tour. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and take a look at my shorts.
Tell you which number I'm in because none of you are here, and the break. And here we go. Here's the first look at the cabin, and this is a standard balcony cabin, and doesn't it look absolutely gorgeous? I'm going to turn the TV off a second. And all the beds have this wonderful look at Florence. I'm not sure if that's Ponte Vecchio Bridge or not. No, it's not. But you've got the wonderful artwork there. The bed itself looks absolutely gorgeous. And next to the night light, on both sides you have two USBs. Don't think you have a plug. No, the two USBs on either side. And here we've got the plug, more USBs, more plugs, telephone, and the welcome aboard. And in the bathroom, we have the shower doors with that, and the lovely ornate sink, and the mirror, and the air conditioning. And then we go there. And don't forget, on this ship, just like Venezia, it's an all-in-one shampoo and shower gel which comes out of that container there. That's in every cabin. And as far as the rest is concerned, well, we've got a refrigerator here. We've got the drawer which says it's got the hairdryer in it. And safe with the buttons, life jackets, 3 drawers. More cupboard space. And then we go outside, we've got the TV, remote control. And I'll come into the balcony, and there you go, there's the Queen Mary, and this is going to be my home for 2 days, and I hope it's your home very soon.